Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRNX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis many times before, including yesterday on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. So let's map out some areas of not necessarily new levels, but just kind of, I should say, kind of reiterate some areas of support here. And the first level that's so far so good has everything to do with that purple line. And that'll mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos. But if you have, you know that I've watched that and talked about that purple line time and time again as a level of support. And you can see that, yeah, so far so good. Nice to see that the price is kind of getting caught up right around that area, and it is indeed acting as support. So that is going to be the ideal level, meaning it's not like if the price falls below there, then that implies everything is totally ruined. But that is where the next level of support comes into play down there at 67 cents. And 67, again, I'm not going to call a do or die or anything like that, but definitely a level where, yeah, preferably speaking, you want to see the price stay above it. Because, don't get me wrong, there's no such thing with pullbacks. No price can go straight up. But, eventually a pullback reaches the point where it's kind of like, okay, price, you've pulled back enough. That's good. It's plenty healthy now. Now it's time to at least start to go sideways. And that's kind of what 67 is representing. If it were to come down here and then go sideways, that's a good-sized pullback from the highs, and that's plenty. But again, even if it were to break below there, technically speaking, the price is still up above the pink line down there, which is the long-term 200-period moving average. Like I said, I in my opinion, 67 is plenty of a pullback for, the chart to, remain totally healthy. But as of right now, the price is doing a good job of finding support at the 50-period moving average. So, 67 may never even come into play. But if it does, that's definitely going to be certainly an ideal level of support that you'd want to see hold. From the resistance side of things, nothing new here to report at all, 95 cents. That red line up there still it remains that key level to watch going forward. But right now, resistance levels, at least in my opinion, not really a huge priority. Top priority by far at this point is more so just making sure that this, remains a healthy consolidation. Because right now, still totally a healthy consolidation, but it starts to become less healthy if the price were to go down to 67 and then break down through it. So that's kind of more so the thing that, like I said, in my view, in my opinion, I'd keep an eye on. But we'll see what happens with it. Still one more day left this week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.